Hello. Yo, can you guys hear me? Yo, what's up, guys? Are you guys making money as usual? Are you all making money? Because I'm losing money, bro. I'm losing a lot of money. I'm losing money. It's been good on your side. That's nice. That's nice. Taking long on gold. I'm also going long on gold. I took it buy. Give me a second. I'm currently long on gold as well. This is my position. Bro, guys, I lost so much money that I almost gave up on trading, man. I almost gave up on trading because every single trade I take is a stop loss before take profit. It's not like my analysis were wrong. It's just that Donald Trump just wanted me to lose money. Every single time I take a trade, I hit stop loss before it goes to TP. Yeah. Let's long gold. How is your journey with QT? Bro, QT. I regretted buying an account with QT. I shouldn't have bought an account with them. I shouldn't have bought an account. I don't want to give too much detail here, but that was the worst account purchase I've done in 2026 so far. I shouldn't have bought an account with QT. Do you guys think gold is gonna fly? By the way, for my analysis, I just waited for this liquidity taken here on gold. So since this liquidity is taken, I also waited for a change of character to the upside. So we have this sort of change of character to the upside. Price gave a pullback, and from that pullback, that's where I had my buy. And then I could have just put stop loss below this low, but I wanted like a safer stop loss. I put the stop loss a bit below. And the reason I did that is because you guys know for the past 2 weeks gold been hunting my stop loss, so that's why I had to like give some space. So this is basically the buy I took. Let's see how that goes, and you guys can see right there that the buy is being run there. I don't know if you can see on my yeah, so I'm long right there, you can see. I had 2 entries, one entry a bit higher, one entry below, and I'm running overall profit of $9,000 here. I feel like I'm gonna close the position I took below, like that first position. I took 2 positions basically. One the first buy I took was not really a good entry, it was somewhere up here, and then the second entry I took was down here. So I had 2 entries. Is now doing a pullback. I'm now only up 8,000. I should try which prop firm. QT is the worst. Yeah, I agree with you guys. QT, I shouldn't have bought an account with QT. One of the worst decisions I've done in 2026. Which prop firm do you guys? Bright Funded. What's good about Bright Funded? Is there anything good about Bright Funded? CK Capital. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how I choose my prop firm, okay? Let me show you guys my Chrome. So this is basically prop firm match. There are 2 websites I use when I want to choose a prop firm. So I use prop firm match and I use Payout Junction. If you go to Payout Junction, it allows you to see how much a prop firm is actually paying out, and which is really good. Prop firm match gives you more information, but Payout Junction is all about payout. So if I come to Payout Junction here, you can see that within the last 24 hours, my Funded Next futures paid out well over 500,000. Funded Next paid out 300,000. Tradify 250k. Alpha Capital Group 155k. FundingPips 59k, and all of this. So you can filter and you can see how much a prop firm is actually paying out. So if I want to trade with a prop firm that will be paying me maybe 10,000 or higher, I would want to look for a prop firm that paid out millions. Like if I go for the past 7 days, you can see that this prop firm here paid out well over $1 million for the past 7 days. So this is how I actually choose my prop firms. So if you guys are going to suggest a prop firm to me, you have to suggest a prop firm that is actually paying out, like part of this list here. Good funded trader. I why you guys are not recommending good funded trader? Are they that bad? It's got funded. They have some weird rules, not gonna lie. But aside the weird rules, bro, I need to partial a bit. The position I took below here, this should have been like 2R right now. Yeah, this position is well over 2R. I'm gonna take the position I took below. I'm gonna close. I need to recover some losses I took yesterday. I need to recover some losses. Nice. Partial $4,000. So now I'm out 4,000, and the position below I'm gonna set break even. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that the first position partial, and then I set break even, and the position up I just left it that way. So let's see what's gonna happen. My full TP is basically at this high right here, and then since it's gold, I'm still expecting price to go higher. GFT, CK. Which one is CK Capital? Can you guys send the links? Which one is CK Capital? I think gold full TP targeting this high here could be a good idea, I guess. I don't really know if this thing is just gonna keep buying. I think this could be a good TP. That's a really nice TP. Which one is CK Capital, guys? I never heard of. Is CK Capital is a prop firm? Which one is, what's the CK means? Transform traders into winners globally. Globally, okay. Oh man, CK Capital launched last year. Guys, this is also one thing. If you want to trade with prop firm, trade with a prop firm that have been around at least for 2 years. If they launched last year, that means they haven't been around for a year. If they haven't been around for a year, I can't trade with them. Like, I can't trade with them, guys. I can't trade with the prop firm that have been around for only not even a year. If they launched last year, that means that maybe they still need some months more to be up to a year. If price can take that high, that would really be a good idea. Go. I wanted to buy EU today, like the same setup I had on gold, but there was no liquidity. Price, like you see this equal lows here. I was expecting price to come take this equal lows, but price missed it. Price should have done something like this, so it missed it. And for me, if there's no liquidity taken, no entry basically. Because here, if somehow I managed to buy this thing here, yeah, price went up, that's good. But assume that price came and it took the liquidity before going up, that means that I would have hit stop loss before going to TP. Let's go. Gold is buying. I don't know where is the TP I sent in the group. Is that the TP is at 7, so it's a bit above. Is here. Let me set an alert, guys. By the way, I like using a lot of alerts, so I don't want to keep looking at price. So what I always do is I do something else and I come back to check later. So yes, as I'm saying, there was no liquidity taken, so I couldn't take a trade there. You guys asking me to check payout junction. Is CK on payout junction? What? CK, but even if they are on payout junction, bro, let me show you something. This is for the past 7 days, okay? This is for the past 7 days on payout junction, and then CK Capital paid out only $1,400 for the past 7 days. This is the reason why I cannot trade with them, at least not right now. It's been over 2 days that they haven't processed a single payout. It's been 2 days they didn't process a payout. So yes, that's not enough data for me to, like, if I come and trade with them, me alone, my payout weekly, my weekly payout alone with them would exceed this. So that's why I cannot go and buy an account with them right now. Check out. And by the way, guys, I have an announcement. Okay, I'm gonna be giving away some free money you can trade with, okay, with a new broker called Tradin. That broker, that FundingPips broker. I'm gonna give more details later. So right now you can join my Telegram. It's for free. I think you can have, I don't know if there is a link in the description of this, but let me copy this. I'm gonna send it to the chat for you guys. Okay, make sure you join. Okay, join the Telegram. I'm gonna give you guys the some of the step later how you can get. I'm going to deposit $25 to your trading account. So for you to do it, you have to sign up to Tradin using the link in this live, and the link, you just go and check the description of the live. Okay, go to the description and check the trusted brokers. You'll see Tradin there. Go and sign up, and once you sign up, all you need to do is join the chat, and then I'm gonna choose 4 of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna choose 4 of you guys, and I'm going to send you $25 each to trade with Tradin. Okay, you'll get the money for free to trade with. All you need to do is sign up to Tradin using the link in the description, and second, join the Telegram. That's it. There's nothing else you have to do. Do the 2, and then I'm going to send more information. I'm probably gonna go live to choose the winners as well. So yeah, so let's see. Gold almost hit. It's nice. Gold is buying. Oh my god, I forgot that I was even flipping. This is my other account. I had $400. I'm flipping 400. I'm well over $1,000 in profit right now. You can see here. I forgot I was flipping on this account, bro. This is one thing when it comes to trading. Like when you are trading multiple accounts, you forget like even which trade you took in which account. You even forget some account that you are supposed to be checking. Gold may reverse down. Yeah, it's possible. If it fails to break this POI right here, it can reverse. But if it breaks, then you can expect a continuation to the upside. But for me, I've already taken my partial. It's just that this account, I'm flipping $400 to 1,000. I didn't. I wasn't checking. So, oh man. Let's see what is happening. Gold, please buy. I need a lot of money. I need to recover some of the losses I had. And by the way, guys, despite I took some losses for the past 2 weeks, I've been waiting for a payout with FundingPips. So I haven't been trading with my FundingPips account, which is really good. Like when you are trading prop firm, sometimes maybe the time you are waiting for a payout can avoid you to lose your account because maybe the price action been really bad. DXY, I should check DXY on the 15 minute. Oh, is someone? Why is there a huge gap on DXY? What's this? What is this? Actually, by the way, if you guys don't know, if DXY is selling, that means that EU is gonna buy. Gold is gonna buy. If DXY is buying, that means that EU is gonna sell. So this is how you can do the correlation between those two as well. But bro, this is getting me worried. This thing is getting me worried. That gap there, price can just sell, and then price can just buy and fill that gap, and it will make everything else sell, which is really bad. Oh man, let's see. But this gap doesn't look good, man. This gap does not look any good. That gap does not look good. Gold is selling. I'm so done for, man. I should have just closed my 1k profit I've made. I should have. Sometimes you don't really know where price is gonna reject. You don't really know where price is gonna react. Where is the chart? Yeah, is this one right here. I think that's what took the buy. Yes, it's the gap on DXY that made the market open with a huge gap to the upside. I've never gotten funded with good funded traders, so I can't really advise you on that. I've never gotten funded with them. I bought an account. I don't know if I bought or they gave me for free. I can't remember. But I never got funded with them. I never got funded with God Funded Trader, so I can't really give you much information about it. I can't really give much information about God Funded Trader. I think I even made one video about them a while ago, but I never really got funded. Do you guys think gold is gonna buy or gold is gonna sell? I just wanted it to take this high. Go and take that high for me to close some of my position. I already closed some, but I'm still want to close this one even more. Bright funded. 100% buy. You can't be 100%. Can't be 100% about. It's buying. It's good. Let it buy. Have you guys ever tried trading Ghana cedis? USD JHC or JHS. This is really good. If you guys never traded Ghana cedis, go and trade it. You guys will make money. This looks like the dream chart. All you need to do is just buy. I think I've seen some chart. What's the name? Blue Guardian, not recommended. They try to wait. I'm not gonna try Blue Guardian. Which one is Blue Guardian? Yes, God, let's go. I'm not making $900 profit on my flipping account. $900 profit. 800, 900, 900. Should I close some position? I'm gonna close $500. Let's go. Let's hit 48.7, 48.7. Are we hitting 48.7? Please. Why am I even waiting? I'm just gonna close there. I'm closing 2 position. I close 1 here. Yes. TP hit, TP1 hit. You can see right here. The same trade I sent to my signal here. TP1 hit. So we hit TP. I just closed some partial right there. Let me close on my other account before price before price starts selling. Oh man. I'm gonna close this. That's good. Yes. So my $500 flipping account is now at 1,000. So I just doubled the account size. Now I'm still in the profit of $400. I'm still $400 in profit. So TP1 hit. Now we are going for TP2. Where is my TP2? I'm gonna be having TP2 somewhere here. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if that's exactly where the TP2 I sent. 39 is TP2. 39 is even higher, but this is where TP2 is supposed to be. The reason I chose this as a TP2 is because we have this auto block right here, so price can actually sell from that level. So that's why I have a TP2 there, or I should have had a TP2 there. Is my forex funds operating now? No, my forex funds is not operating yet. They are trying to come back. They basically trying to pay out some of the pending payout when they went down, and I guess they will come back. I really want them to come back though, because when they closed, I had an account, I think 25k on phase 2. I was on phase 2 when they went down. I was really pissed. So they have to come back. I have to pass my phase 2 or I'm gonna get some payout. I haven't really gotten that much payout from my forex funds, because when I was trading with my forex funds, I wasn't really that profitable trading with Profam yet. So they have to come back, and I have to get all my money that I lost when trading with them. I need to get all of it back. I need to get all of it back. But it's spread with it. You have with Ghana cedis USD. Do you guys know any broker at all that I can trade Ghana cedis? I truly want to trade Ghana cedis. Do you guys know any broker? Do you guys know any broker I can trade with Ghana cedis? You are not in the signal, you took the same trade. That's good, man. That's good. Guys, you guys have to understand that some of you guys are as good as me. It's just that you don't really have enough discipline to actually make money, or sometimes you don't even have enough capital to make money. That's the issue. We can be taking the same trade. Let me give you an example. I took this buy and someone in the chat said he took the same buy. I flipped $500 to $1,000 with this buy. It's not even full TP. This is just TP1. If this thing goes to full TP, I can be flipping that 500 to like 2,000, 3,000. And the same you in the chat, maybe you have like $10 or $25. So you probably made like $50 from this. So we have the same skill, okay? We have the same skill. Just that sometimes you guys just like full potting your account anyhow. Like you don't really have a correct risk management. Or sometimes you just don't have enough capital to trade. That's why I usually give away something always on my channel. Give away FundingPips account or maybe free money brokers money, so that you guys can also trade with me and stuff. So yeah. Have I been regretting copy trading between my account? In a way yes, and in a way no. The reason I'm saying yes is because when you copy trade and you took a stop loss, that means that one stop loss you took is across all your account. So you are at risk of losing all your account at once if you go through a losing streak. Like I went through a losing streak for the past 2 weeks. That means that if I was copy trading across all my account, I would have lost all of them. This is really bad. But the good thing is, if I'm making money while I'm copy trading, I'm gonna make a lot of money as well. Like this buy I took right here. If I'm copy trading, which I'm kind of copy trading, I'm not like really using a trade copier, but I'm taking the same trade across all my account. The same trade made me 1,000 on one of the account and made me well over, I think, 10,000 on my main account. So the same trade made me more money. But if I wasn't taking the same trade, I would have made less money. So there is a advantage and disadvantage as well. And for me, it's good to copy trade, but don't copy trade across all your account. If you have probably 4 accounts, maybe copy trade across 2 accounts and the others 2 trade them differently. So maybe you can make some money on one and the others one you can be in drawdown. I mean, that's fine. That's really fine. Any tip on passing account? If you want to pass profit account, just go to my website. Go to AstuceFX. Where is it? Go to AstuceFX/course and then sign up to why failed request. There is sometimes there is something wrong with my website. I don't know why it always giving me failed request. There is a course that you have to enroll to. It's free. Well, if I'm not able to log in, I'll sign up or access, I'll just log in. Let me log into the yes. So go to my website AstuceFX.com, sign up, and once you do sign up, you just go to online courses. Once you come to online course, it's here. It's free, by the way. Free Profem series. Just start learning. There are well over 1,500 students that have enrolled to this. So go and watch. There are plenty videos how to pass Profem challenge, how I pass phase 1, how I pass phase 2, there is everything you can learn from this. Imagine. There's everything you can learn from this, okay? So go and sign up. It's free. Okay, I'm not charging you for this Profem series. Go and sign up. And if you want to join my signal as well, you can go to the signal. You can pay to join the signal, or you can just join trading with Exness. If you have an Exness account, go and sign up as a partnership. Okay, once you go sign up as partnership, you have to create an account using this link, and then you can join the signal for free. Okay, most of the things I have is for free. Sometimes I don't even recommend you guys. What? Oh my god, for the time I'm talking, this thing is back. No way. I think I was right for taking partial. Then look at the sniper partial I got. Oh my god. The sniper partial, this thing is, I'm even in drawdown. What the No way. What was that? This is one thing I hate about trading, right? It took how many candles to go up? And now all it took is one candle to go back in drawdown. That's crazy. So I'm basically all out on this position right here. I don't know if you guys can see. One of the position that's at break even, price came in, took me out at break even. And then that, why am I having so much issue to, yeah. Oh my god, no way. What was this? The fact that this thing sold in like 5 minutes. Look at this. Let me show you guys something. Let's see how long it took. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-minute candles. 4 1-minute candles. That's all it took for price to go back down. And guess what? Let's look at how long it took for price to go up. From here to here, it took 40 minutes to go up, bro. It took 40 minutes to go up. And all it took is 4 minutes. Oh man, trading could be crazy. Trading could be crazy. I mean, fine, it's fine. Money is made. I would have just made more. My 500 is now at 800, so I made like $400. I would have made way more. I don't know if I should be sad or I should be happy. I don't know if I should be sad or I should be happy. What just happened? Oh my god. Anyway, it's fine. Let's keep going. Let's refresh our analysis. Let's see what EU is doing. EU is going up though. Just gold up. Oh, EU also is selling. Okay, that makes sense. It's called step up, elevation down. No, you guys are crazy. Bro, what was this? Oh my god. All it took is one candle to go down, bro. Trading is insane. Bro, what? Oh my god. All it took is one candle to go down. If you guys took a sell on gold, that's good. Congratulations to you. I didn't catch anything. I wasn't even looking, bro. I don't even know what I was explaining. Was I not like on my website or something? I don't even know what I was looking at. Bro, what was that? Oh my god. There is no way. This is crazy. Anyway, I don't even know if the... Let me just refresh my analysis. Let's see what price doing. Oh my god. The sell kind of makes sense though. The sell makes sense. The reason price is selling right now, we have this guy right here. That price came in mitigated, and then we also have this trend line to the upside. That price came in tough. So the sell makes sense. The sell makes sense, but the whole reason I'm buying is because of this. We have this breaker block right here. Took me out by 1 pip. How much is my mentorship? You can go and check my website. My mentorship is like $75. $75. That's how much it costs. It used to cost way more than that, but since I noticed, I just want to help you guys. I don't want to charge too much for mentorship. I reduce. It used to be like 500 or 250. Now it's just $75. So if you want to get, I'm still bullish though. I'm still bullish, but we may have like a healthy pullback to the downside. We may have a healthy pullback to the downside. I'm still bullish. We have this how is it called? This could be a zone I can be looking for buys. This is the zone I can be looking for buys. This thing can just take me out and go back to TP, bro. How much did I make? I made $500 and I lost $100, so I made $400. You can go back and check the recording. How much was the initial? I shouldn't have even lost anything because I wasn't having a stop loss on my flipping account. That's why the sell was too quickly. I couldn't even notice. Oh man, that's crazy. What was that? I don't even know what to say. You guys asking about my mentorship, just go to AstuceFX.com. It costs $75. There's something wrong with my website. I don't know why. Is any of you guys here a programmer or something? Is any of you guys a programmer? There's something wrong with my website, or something is wrong with my internet. I hope you guys can hear me clearly, right? Is that FOMC? Is that? Oh, we have a high impact news, right? I think we have a high impact news. Forex Factory. Let me see. If I'm not mistaken, there's a high impact news. Yeah. So if you come to my website, you just scroll down. This is basically what you access. $75. You have access to my private Discord, mentorship, PDF, everything. You can also join my Signal if you want to trade with Exness or any broker I'm promoting, basically. Wednesday. FOMC is at 6 p.m. bro. FOMC is not now. FOMC is not now. FOMC already happened. I'm seeing FOMC here is at 6 p.m. It didn't happen. FOMC is at 6 p.m. How are you guys telling me FOMC or FOMC on another? Bro, how? Oh man, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Guys, if you join my mentorship, you have to ask me questions. If you are in my mentorship, if you are in my Discord, ask me questions. If you guys don't ask me questions, how could you learn? Okay, there are people that can pay my mentorship and never chat, never do never ask me questions. Why? Like, do you just want to give away the money or something? I remember when I used to pay for mentorship, I ask questions. I disturb a lot. Yes, I used to pay for mentorships. I disturb a lot when I pay for someone's mentorship, and that's how you learn. Yeah, it cost me money for promoting my website. I was just you guys asking me. I wasn't supposed to. Oh my god, bro. Imagine if this thing just came and took me out just to go back to TP. Can you imagine? Imagine if it just came to take me out just to go back to TP. That's how it's been doing for the past 2 weeks. Like yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, I took a buy here, right? Let me show you something. I took a buy here, okay? If I'm not mistaken, I had a buy here. Price went to TP1. I was really happy. I was having like a huge TP. What did the price do? It came and kicked me out. And then before I noticed, this is what price did. Could have been like one of the craziest trade I had so far. This could have been the craziest trade of the month. So what did price do? Trump. Obviously Trump. He has to kick me out first. The reason why market went down at first is because Trump gave a deadline to Iran that if they don't open that Strait of Hormuz, then he's going to nuke them. I think so. So the market start collapsing. So way before, as price start collapsing after, before that deadline, Iran came and be like, oh yeah, we agree to your ceasefire. So they now agree on the ceasefire, And yes, I have already hit stop loss before they agree on the ceasefire. So I now hit stop loss. Okay, I don't know if I took partial or not. And then price went to TP later. Look at this, bro. This thing just wanted to come and kick me out. It just wanted to kick me out. He just wanted to kick me out. Just because I said break even. I don't know if this stop loss, the stop loss I sent in the group got hit or not. I don't even know. This is the stop loss I sent here. Let me see. Let me see. What's the copy? I am out, but I don't know if there are some people that in the group is still in or not. I want to see if, yeah, price never hit stop loss. The trade I sent, price never hit stop loss. So if you took partial on the buy and then price came, and if you had a break even, that's fine. But if your remaining position you did not set break even, then you are still in, that's fine as well. But based on what I'm seeing here, if the stop loss is here and I have a buy stop below, if price ever sell, price gonna come and kick anyone out. If you are in a buy, price gonna come and kick you out. I don't know what gold is doing. I could still go long. Should I still go long? I want to check something. I want to know, guys. Should I still go long? I want to know, guys. Should I go long? Oh man, what did I just do? I just did something that I wasn't supposed to do. Do you guys know what? I'm gonna go long. I don't care whatever price does right now, because I'm just gonna go long. What is since my analysis actually didn't really fail yet, because my the stop loss I sent, it still didn't hit. So I just add back my one lot buy. I'm going back. I'm going long. You guys think that I'm gonna be staying here and looking at price doing its thing? I'm long. I'm going back in. The worst entry I could ever get. Okay, this is the worst entry I could get. It couldn't have been anything worse than this. Where am I putting my stop loss? Assuming that if I put the stop loss there, this is 1R the whole thing. What am I doing? What am I doing? Imagine this thing sells a sniper entry to poverty from there. Just imagine a sniper entry to poverty from there. Can I read this? Oh my god, you guys are insane. So this is what you guys did. You guys had a sell and kicked me out. My own student, I reverse trading against me. Huh? My own student, I reverse trading against me. What am I gonna say? I couldn't have gotten anything worse than this. No. I can explain what I'm doing right now. Let me explain to you. I had, okay, let me zoom in now. I'm gonna explain. This is not reverse trading. Let me show you something. Basically, I had a buy here, okay? Let me look at my trade history so I can explain that to you guys really well. I had a buy here, 3 lot. I closed fully at this top here. I made $4,000 on this buy. And then I had another buy somewhere here. Right? I had a buy. Where's the second buy? Give me a second. Yes, the second buy as well, I made 4,000. But the first buy, or one of the buys, I think the first buy, I set my stop loss to break even with 1 lot, the remaining 1 lot. So price came in, it took me out at break even. So I'm just adding back that 1 lot break even I had. That's basically what I'm doing. And price going up. It's not a stop loss, it's not a sniper entry to poverty. It's not a sniper entry to poverty. And the reason why I still went long is because if you see well, this box is my New York session open. New York open, price drop, took the low, and then it went up. So liquidity taken to the downside and price went back up. My mentorship $750, $75. I think it's like 800 cedis. I don't know whatever the Google rate is, but it should be like 800. If I'm not mistaken. Did any of you guys bought, or you guys against selling against me? It's like 825, whatever. I don't know, man. You guys definitely trading against me again. I don't even know what to say. Guys, one thing you have to understand is I'm really afraid to sell gold. I don't know if the whole 2025 I've ever clicked sell on gold. I don't think I've ever did that. I can't do it. So the pool I ran, you guys said no, I shouldn't long, but price going up. Price going up. I'm already making $400. It's going up. I can't buy on my flipping account right now because flipping I want like a sniper entry. I need to get sniper entry. I need to get a sniper entry if I want to flip. I'm already $400 in profit. Price can just sell and then that's a sniper entry to poverty. The most sniper entry in poverty would ever get. If you are paying with the mentorship with your card, automatically you'll get charged in CDs. And I don't know how much your bank is gonna charge you. They're probably gonna take some fees as well. So could be 800, 825, could even actually be 900. So I don't know how much the bank is gonna be charging you. There was a clean buy on EU though. I should be trading EU, not gold. There was a clean buy on EU. This is why I like EU. Look at this. It dropped, it took the liquidity, and then it went long. And confirmation entry, just go to the second time frame. Just go to the second time frame. I should put my hand behind my phone to focus it. Okay, let me try something. If I... Oh, okay. You guys, I should actually hire one of you guys to come and help me to go live, because you guys know more than me. I have some of the latest gadgets and I don't even know how to use them. Yes, it's selling now. Having the sniper entry to poverty. The sniper entry to poverty. Where was my entry? My entry is somewhere. My entry is here. Oh man. If you want to pay for my mentorship with Momo, you have to DM me on Telegram, okay? Yes, I accept Momo. You have to DM me on Telegram. I don't know. Let me. I'm gonna put my. This is my Telegram name. This is my Telegram. If you are in this community, join the community. You'll be able to. If if I show my website, I'm gonna hit stop loss. I'm not doing it again. If I show you guys are insane. I should have bought EU, bro. I should have traded EU. I don't even know why I went to trade something else. I should have traded EU. I still made money though. I'm not like pissed, but I'm still pissed because price kicked me out. Price kicked me out. Price came just to kick me out. And then it's going up. And it makes sense why price did this. I was even expecting this move before this. Like I was expecting price to do something like this. Come, do this, and then go up. But price first went to TP1, which I mean is good. But like there's nothing better than trading EU, bro. There's no headache when you trade EU. Look at this. There's no headache when you trade EU. But when you trade gold, I don't know what price does. Look at this. No headache. Imagine you buying this. I don't know which kind of confirmation you can get down here, but just see this. This is all I need on my funded account, and that's a payout. I'm done trading for 2 weeks. If I have 100k, I make 3,000 on my 100k account. I'm done trading for 2 weeks. I don't need to trade again. Anytime you guys see me trading on social media, I'm doing it just because I have to send a signal, or I have to do it for you guys, for content, for whatever. But sometimes I don't even have to all. I don't need to trade at all, like literally. Now I think what I'm doing here does make zero sense. Like the entry I had there, if price sell, I'm just cooked. I can't be more cooked than that. I'm still up $250. Oh man, there's no entry worse than that. This is the entry I sent earlier. The entry I sent in the group. That TP1 was actually a sniper TP, not gonna lie. Look at this. Like, it couldn't get any more sniper than that. That couldn't be any more sniper than that. No, I don't know what price doing. Just EU trading is just way better. Is there any other is there anything else you guys trading? Is there anything else you guys trading than gold and I don't know. What do you guys trading majority? What is the majority trading on this chart? I'm running a pool. I want to know what you guys trading. I wanna know what you guys trading. Gold, EU, others. If you are trading NAS, is it worth trading NAS? Is it worth trading NAS? Damn, look at that buy on NAS. What the? But I think that was yesterday night, right? Yes, look. London and New York not doing anything. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's not doing anything. What's wrong with my live chat on the screen? Let me check. The live chat on my screen is not working. I don't know why. you guys trading US oil? Yes, gold is buying, bro. Apparently my entry wasn't that bad after all. How much am I making? The fact that my flipping account got taken out, I'm actually pissed. I'm now making $700. It's not a bad. Oh man, I'm making $700. That's crazy. I'm making $700. I'm making $700. How can't I focus this thing? Majority of you guys trading gold, some of you guys trading EU, and someone is trading NAS. Oh man, NAS. How do you guys trade NAS? How are you guys trading NAS? I think my chat is now back to normal. Someone is trading Bitcoin. Who is trading Bitcoin? Or you want to? I tried selling Bitcoin and I hit stop loss. Since then I didn't want to trade again. It was basically this, like from here. There was a clear buy though. I could have bought this pullback here. I could have bought here. I was selling when this pump happened here. I was trying to sell to the downside. That never happened. But Bitcoin, I don't really want to trade Bitcoin again. This US, I thought the US oil is selling, right? Damn, look at this sell. I don't know if you guys remember my weekly call I did like 2 weeks ago. I told you guys that this thing is gonna take a high here. Okay, this high is gonna take this high and it's gonna give us some sort of pullback and it's gonna go up. And if it goes up, it's probably going back to 120 or 150. And yes, that's exactly what price did. It went to the 120, almost the 120, 117. And obviously Trump has to make this whole thing happen here is because of Trump. It wasn't price action, it was because of Trump. Trump did this. If it wasn't for Trump, this thing would have kept going higher. He had to make some trade, some weird shit. Oh man, I wasn't recording it. I cannot believe. Are you guys still in any trade? Is any of you guys still on a trade? Is this thing sales goes below my entry, I may just close it and go back to sleep. I'm not forced to. From where I entered there, if I'm putting a stop loss, my stop loss is like 2,000. Wait, I have an idea. Since I made 8,000, I'm gonna be risking 2,000 on this buy. Okay, 3,000. So if I hit stop loss, I'm still gonna be up 5,000. So Someone say, I mean, while you're holding the phone with your hand, put your palm on the right. You guys want to learn Donald Trump? You guys want to learn Donald Trump strategy? Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Strategy. Just imagine if I get it early 2026, Donald Trump trading and economy involved. There's nothing such a thing. There's no such a thing. Donald Trump strategy. Oh, you guys are funny. You guys are very funny. There's nothing like that. Today's Wednesday. I've been waiting for my payout with FundingPips for I don't know how long. Till now, I still have to wait. 67% of you guys trading gold, 13% of you guys trading EU, and 23% of you guys trading other pairs. Guys, if you are a beginner trader, right, I would always advise you to trade EU. It's the easiest pair you can trade. The easiest. This is what I'm saying, the easiest. Look at this. If EU wants to go up, it will just go up. It will not do like gold thing. Look at this. If it wants to go up, it will just go up. But gold, if it wants to go up, you don't even know if it wants to go up. It will just do this. This is the whole session, by the way. The whole session, whole New York session been this. And when I'll be like, oh, I'm tired, let me go and sleep, that's when you'll see this thing start giving you 1000 pips move. So it moves when you are expecting the least. It moves when you are expecting the least. Why do I have to wait for my payout? I'm not sure it's something, okay? I'm gonna log into my FundingPips account. I'll show you guys why I always wait for my payout with FundingPips. I'm gonna show you guys something. Why waiting for a payout has always been the best thing. 98. This is my FundingPips account, right? I'm currently max funded, by the way. I have 3 accounts. I made 2,000 here, about 1,900 here, about 2,000 here. So I made pretty much like 2,000 on each account. As I told you guys, my payout, if I click on it, you'll see that my payout date is on 13 April, and today is 8 April. So 8 April, 13 April, that like next Monday. So today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Then I can request my payout. And my payout is at 12, so I have to wait Sunday 12, exactly 12 by this time. You can see that it's 12 exactly by this time. Then I can request my payout. But the trade I took on this account, when last I took the trade, was on 2nd April. Okay, so since I took this buy and I hit TP, not even 2nd April. I think it was even like March. It was on March. Is there a way for me to scroll? Yes, so this was the trade I took that made me that money. So it was March, 26 March, and it was even on EU. So since I made this money, I went through a losing streak. So if I wasn't waiting for a payout on my FundingPips account and I want to keep trading this account, I would have probably lost the profit I made on this account. So sometimes I can go through a losing streak, but without actually losing the money I made on my profit account. Why? Because I already made profit and I'm just waiting to be paid out. That's the beauty about trading profit. you make money and you wait 2 weeks to get paid. So within the 2 weeks you're waiting to get paid, maybe the market is bad, or maybe you even fell sick. I was even sick, I think last 2 weeks, like 2 weeks ago. That's the beauty. So waiting for a payout sometimes is boring, but sometimes I think it's just the best thing that can happen, because all you need to do is just chill and wait for your money. Just chill and wait for your money. No, they didn't reject my payout. The only prop firm that never rejected my payout, the only prop firms that I traded with and never rejected my payout, FundingPips and Alpha Capital Group, and yes, these are the only prop firms that never rejected my payout. FTMO rejected my payout. FundingX rejected my payout. Despite, I'm not saying they never paid me, they did pay me, but at the point they rejected my payout. The only prop firm that you make money, they will pay you out. As soon as you click request payout, you'll get your money paid out, is FundingPips. And by the way, Alpha Capital, they banned me, so I don't know if I was trading with them, they will still process my payout or reject it. I don't know. I don't know. So the only prop firm that have no restriction, no whatever whatsoever, is FundingPips. How do you handle FundingPips 1% floating PNL? What do you mean 1% floating PNL? I don't know what is a 1% floating PNL. I don't know what you're talking about. FundingPips doesn't have a 1% floating PNL. Like loss, like 1% floating. You can risk 1% on FundingPips. The rules are here. You come to the FundingPips website, you click on trading objective, okay? Once you do click on trading objective, you'll see what are the available account size. These are the available account size for this account type: 0, 1 step, 2 step, whatever. So these are the account size. The evaluation, these are the rules you have to follow. You have the maximum loss of 5% daily loss, maximum loss of overall loss 10%. You have the profit target 8% phase 1, 5% phase 2. Simple. You just have to follow these rules and then you pass. Okay? Inactivity, if you don't trade for 30 days, you lose your account. Simple. You can trade news, you can hold trade overnight, no time limit, you can open 0.01 let for minimum trading days. So these are the rules for phase 1, phase 2. Okay? Now if you have the live account, these are the rules for live account. Daily loss 5%, max loss 10%, max risk per trade. This is what you have to pay attention to. If you are trading an account below 50k, you cannot risk more than 3% per trade. Okay? If you are trading a 50k or above, you cannot risk more than 2% per trade. And when 2% per trade, if you take a stop loss 1%, you lose. You cannot directly enter another trade and risk another 1%. That would violate the risk per trade. Okay, when you take a loss, wait at least 10 to 15 minutes before taking another trade. That means that you wouldn't have any issue. Once you do follow these rules, there's nothing else. News restricted, don't close or open trade within 5 minutes. You can hold trade overnight. Inactivity, you have to trade for within 30 days. Leverage, all of this. There's really nothing. There's nothing complicated about trading with FundingPips. And by the way, use code AstuceFX if you want to buy an account with FundingPips. You get 20% off for first purchase only. Okay? There's no consistency. There is no consistency. There is consistency if you are trading the instant funding. If you go to instant funding, then there is a consistency rule. Okay? I don't know where there is a consistency rule on the instant funding. Max floating. Okay, you guys are talking about the max 40 profit and loss cannot go below 1%. But this is the instant funding. This is one thing you guys have to understand. Instant funding and evaluation account have two different rules. Okay, if I come to my FundingPips account, you'll see that these are two-step. Okay, look, two-step account. I never had a instant funding account. Okay, I'm not trading instant funding and I don't like trading instant funding. And by the way, maybe the time you guys are making me talk, if I open the chart, price is going to stop loss. Yes, price is going to TV, bro. You see, you guys told me to not buy. Now I'm buying. I made another $1,000. I'm making another $1,000. I'm making another $1,000. Another $1,000. Oh man, you guys asking me to close my position. I'm still pissed because I would have made a lot of money from my flipping. Since I flipped $400 today, I'm gonna give away $100. I already told you guys I'll be giving away $100 later. So make sure you sign up to Tradin, sign up to Exness, sign up to both of them, because the giveaways are always gonna be those two brokers. FundingPips is the platform. Okay, if I'm giving away any account, it's gonna be FundingPips. If I'm giving away any money to a broker, it's always gonna be Tradin or Exness. So go and sign up and join the free Telegram group. If you do join the free Telegram, which I'm gonna be putting the link here for you guys again, you can participate and probably win $25 to trade. Okay, any advice if someone who is 3.5% drawdown on FundingPips 2-step account? If you are in drawdown or if you are in profit, always keep the same risk. Never change the plan. Never. Okay, when I'm trading, even if I'm down 5%, if initially I'm risking 1%, I'm always gonna keep risking 1%, because if you are down and you reduce your risk, it's gonna be way difficult for you to recover your losses. It's gonna be way difficult to recover the losses. So always follow the plan. If you know you are profitable, you've been profitable on demo and you bought an account and you are down, keep risking the same amount. Follow the same plan that got you into drawdown. The same plan is gonna get you out of drawdown. The same plan is gonna get you out of drawdown. How do you guys want me to reply to messages on Telegram while I'm on live? You have to wait for me to. I think I'm actually up 1,000, bro. I can't believe it. God is actually buying. Imagine I never bought, bro. Imagine I didn't buy again. I got the worst entry ever. But I mean, that's the worst entry ever. I got the worst entry ever. Do you guys think this trade is ever gonna hit full TP? One thing is, like, the way I'm seeing, man, DXY pretty much took the low already. This was the low target I was having. If I was buying EU, bro, I would have had my TP. Like, EU has already hit TP. This thing is still at the same level. When gold was here, EU was down here. I'm gonna show you guys something. EU was here when gold was here, and gold is here and EU is away. Now when I'm saying that I'm happy because gold is buying, now he's selling. Gold is selling. I'm cooked. I was happy that I had long. Now gold is selling and I'm done for. Am I gonna live stream like that every day? I don't know. If you bring me food, I will live stream every day. If you can bring me jollof rice with chicken, I'm gonna live stream every day. But if you're not gonna give me food, I'm gonna live stream when I'm full. Like when I've eaten and I'm full. Did I set break even? I did. I don't even have a stop loss to set break even. As I said, I'm risking some of the profit I made on the previous trade, the previous buy I had. So I don't really care if I hit stop loss, I take profit, because is, how do I say this? It's just the runner of the previous trade that is running, basically. It's just the runner. So price is almost back to my break even already, or back to my entry, since I don't even have a stop loss. Oh, I don't have a stop loss. And you guys see, since DXY is buying, that's why gold is selling. Gold is selling because DXY is buying. Footage, Lebanon. It's selling, bro. It's like there's something up with this thing. Something is wrong with this. This level had some. It's like the demon is up here. It doesn't want to break. It doesn't want to break. Oh man. Oh la 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 la. I think I'm done for. I was planning to travel this year for a vacation. I don't know where to go. At first I wanted to go to Dubai, but you guys seeing all that happening in Dubai right now, it doesn't feel like the vacation destination, you know. It doesn't feel like the vacation destination. Do you guys know anywhere at all I can go for a vacation? I think EU can easily come to this high here. EU can come to this high. I'm expecting EU to come there. Guys, I can't go to the US. I can't go to the US. Donald Trump has banned my country from going to the US. Can you imagine? I'm getting banned from trading prop firms. Now I'm also getting banned from going to countries. I can't go to the US. Donald Trump banned me from going to the US. He has banned me. He's like, we don't really like you guys, so you can't come to, you can't come. Yeah, God is back to my entry. God is back to my entry. There is something wrong with this high. Something is wrong with that high. Maldives. Where is the Maldives? Is it in Asia? Let me see. I want to go somewhere nice. Let me check Airbnb really quick. Let me check Airbnb really quick. Maldives. What is the capital? Is it the country or the capital? Come to Pakistan. Mali. This is the capital of Maldives. Let's simulate I can obviously go to Canada. Yeah, I have a cousin in Canada. That my cousin on X. I think you guys know him. The Fifth Flipper, that's his name. I'm probably gonna go to Canada, yes. Oh man, this is crazy. Imagine having this view every day when you wake up. Oh man.
Connected.
Pakistan capital. What is in Pakistan? What is in Pakistan? I don't know. I don't know, man. The roads looks nice. I could come to Kenya, yeah. Not this year though, but I can see myself coming to Kenya. I can also see myself going to Bali. I can see myself going to Bali. Bali, Kenya. I don't know about Pakistan yet, but we never know. We never do. Canada here. Maldives, probably. I'm just done for, bro. This thing is never hitting TP. I may just go and sleep. Come to Nigeria. Oh, Nigeria. Nigeria. I could go to Nigeria even tomorrow if I wanted to. I can just book the flight right now and go to Nigeria. I'm in Ghana, bro. How do I go to Ghana again? I'm Ghana. I'm just not in Accra, but I'm in Ghana. Price action is getting boring, bro. What am I supposed to do now? Should I go and sleep, or I should just... Oh, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do, guys? What should I do? South Africa. I have a cousin that loves South Africa so much. I don't know why. Is South Africa that good? The market is boring. Okay, this is good. Apparently, YouTube can show me some of the most active people on the chat. And right now, I'm seeing 3 people that are the most active, right? So at the end of the live, I'm gonna be rewarding the top 3. I'm gonna be sending you guys, each of you guys, $10. I don't know how I can DM you guys. How do I DM? How do I DM? These are the people right here. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. So what we have to do is DM me on X, okay? You DM me on X that it's your account, it's your account, because I don't know if there's a way for me to DM on YouTube. I don't think it's possible. I'm clicking and nothing really happens. So yes, I'm gonna be rewarding some of the most active. Actually, this is the current active, so by the time I close the chat, I don't know if you guys are gonna remain active or not. So the most active ones are going to be getting something, and I can do that probably like every week. Every live I do, not every live, but every week. Call our names. Your names. How I don't know how to pronounce you guys' names. I'm not in Accra. I'm somewhere in Ghana, but I'm not in Accra. I want to move to Accra pretty soon, but I'm currently not in Accra. I'm currently not in Accra. Your name is Adnan or Adna. I'm somewhere in Ghana. Let's go Ismail. Okay. If I'm pronouncing the names, I'm most likely gonna pronounce it in French because I don't know how the pronunciation is in English. Wait, so the Maldives is in the ocean? I can't even see the map, bro. What the? Why am I not seeing the map? Do you guys see that I can't see the map? Like, I'm seeing the hotel listings on the ocean. Is it below the water? There is someone on the chat that he's from Chad. No way. I'm also from Chad, by the way. That's crazy. What are you currently in Chad, or where do you live? I'm actually surprised that there's someone from Chad that understands English really well, because we don't speak English in Chad. So how much is my mentorship? $75. Last time I opened my website, price went against me. Price went against me. Oh. Why am I not seeing it? This thing, I just closed my position, and I'm just gonna close my position. If some of you guys is still in the buy, I just wish you the best. I don't know, should I close my position? I just close 0.5 lot. I'll just leave 0.5 lot because I don't really like what's happening here. Probably it's gonna sell. The reason I'm saying that is because of DXY. The gap that DXY opened to this upside here, it makes it more likely to sell. Let me go to Google Map if I'll be able to see. Maldives. Bro, this is not a country. This thing is literally underwater. Why is it blue? The whole thing is actually blue. Okay, so this is this is the capital. Why is it so small? What the? Oh my god. I know it, as soon as I open my website, it's gonna sell. I know. You guys asking me for my mentorship, and then when I open my mentorship, then my mentorship website, then goes down. I'm cooked. I know I'm cooked. I need to charge. Guys, give me a second. I need to charge my Apple Watch. Is this a stadium? I'm planning for a vacation, yeah. Not right now, like by the end of the year. I like always taking vacation by the end of the years. So at the beginning of the year, I lock in, okay, like I fully lock in, make money, and then by the end of the year, I try to go somewhere and chill. The Maldives, is it Islamic country? It's just out of nowhere, bro. I wish I can just request for my payout right now. By the way, if you guys want to see how I trade my FundingPips account, you can check this link right here. I'm gonna send you the link. So if you open that link right there, you'll be able to see pretty much everything about my website. So you can use the coupon code AstuceFX. You're gonna get 20% off. Okay. The account size here. This is when I got the live account, and then I made a profit of $2,000. Why is it written today's profit? It's not today's profit. This is like overall's profit because I haven't traded today. So if you see my account well, let me scroll back in March, right? Look at this. The whole March I traded 1 2 3 4 5 6 days. I traded 6 days in March, and the 6 days I traded, I made $4,000. So the first week I made $1,200. The second week I made $1,000. The third week I made another $1,500, and last week I made $600. Simple. You don't need to overtrade, guys. You don't need to trade too much. You really want to make money, don't trade too much, because the more you trade, the more likely you are to lose money. That's gonna be the truth. I'm gonna tell you guys, the more you trade, the more likely you're gonna be losing money. You don't need to trade too much. Go and check. I sent you guys the link. You can go and check. And that's how I trade across all my accounts. I only start trading after a payout, and if I do make any amount, I don't need to hunt for a big amount. I've already had a $10,000 payout. I've already had a $15,000 payout. I don't need to get them every single time. I don't need to get big payout every single time. I can just get some of them, and that's it. I should come to where? I don't know where that is. Come to Kofu. What? Wait. I want to copy the name of where you guys said I should go. Oh, this is where you guys asking me to go. Capital Eastern. Oh, it's in Ghana. That's crazy. I have no idea this place existed. Guys, why does this look like where IShowSpeed went for that his massage when he came to Ghana? Korea Kurjeje. Bro, this looks like that exact place he went there. He got massaged by like 15, like the beginning of his live stream. No, that the share butter wasn't here. That I don't even know where that was. But this one, this place looks like that place where he at the beginning of his live stream, he was getting massaged by like 5 or 10 women. I don't know. It looks exactly like that. Don't you guys think is that? Tamale, I think Tamale is also in Ghana. I don't know if it's Morocco. Yeah, he came here. This looks exactly like that. Let me see if I write IShowSpeed in. No, I'm not getting anything. But if you go to his YouTube and you check the live stream, that's exactly where he started his life. Yo, let's go. Gold is buying back. Let's go. Oh, IShowSpeed. Let me go and check his life really quick. Yeah, it was this. Yes, it was here. Do you guys see? I may have to go there then. I may have to go there. I, I may have to go there. If this is what I'm gonna be experiencing, I'm gonna go there. And then the end. I may have to go there. What is it doing? It's like this guy, there is something wrong with this. Let me, is this in 4K? Let me, I want to see something. Oh, the stream is only 1080p. Why is this looking outside? I should speed is Korea JJ. Oh. Korea JJ is in Tamale. Are you guys serious? Is in Tamale? Are you guys sure? Why am I writing this and all I'm seeing is food? Why is it food? I'm not seeing the actual oh man. Capital city of the northern region. Northern region. This thing is never hitting TP, bro. Never hitting TP. I think I'm never hitting TP again. I think it's in Accra. I don't think it's in Tamale. The Korea. I don't think it's. I think it's in Accra. I don't think it's in Tamale. I mean, Tamale is like the north, bro. AstuceFX cannot go there. That's really far. AstuceFX couldn't have gone there. He only had like 24 hours stream here in Ghana. He cannot go there. Why am I seeing things like this on Twitter again? I thought they are done with the war. What's happening? Is there anything I'm missing? Why does it look like the end of the war or something? The end of the world or something? Saudi Arabia East oil pipe carry 7 million barrels per day has been attacked. How? I thought they said there is a ceasefire. What happened to the ceasefire? It's been less than 24 hours. Iran carry out the drone attack. Bro, how? I thought there is a ceasefire. What's happening? What's happening? Why are they putting gold in here? I'm so confused. I thought I'm so confused. There is a ceasefire. What happened? The wealthiest country in Africa. Ghana is not even top 5. That's crazy. Ghana is not even top 5. Done for. What am I gonna say? There we go. There we go. There we go. What am I gonna say again? Who am I? What am I gonna say again? Done for. Gold is selling. I hope I said SL. I have a break even. I have. What am I saying? I have a stop loss. Yes. If I hit stop loss, I'm gonna lose 1,500, and I made 8,000 this morning. So I'm basically gonna be up like 6,000 something. I'm gonna be up 6,000 something. But this could still be a re-entry. Who knows? Oh. All happening because of DXY. All happening because of DXY. DXY is going up. That means that even EU is going down. You see what EU is going down, yeah. What's happening? I thought they opened it. I thought they opened the Strait of Hormuz. I thought they opened it. Why are they charging money again? I didn't close my trade. I have a stop loss exactly where I had that stop loss on that thing. And if I hit stop loss, I'm still gonna be up like 6,000 something. So I'm just waiting. This can be a re-entry, but I'm not gonna buy again because I have like zones that I'm gonna be buying down. I have no reason. But if I look at this thing, everything happening here is just ranging. There's nothing happening. Like London was way better than New York. This is New York. It's just ranging. Somehow I managed to make money from a range, but that's actually crazy. No, I'm not buying. I'm not gonna buy. I'm just gonna take my $1,500 stop loss, and then with my $8,000 TP, I'm gonna be up 6,000, and I'm good. Where is the stop loss? My stop loss is... The stop loss is at this line. 47.63. The stop loss is at 47.63. Take the L and just continue, you know. It's just ranging, man. Oh, price is ranging because we have FOMC this evening. That makes sense. I think that makes sense. Price is ranging because we have FOMC. price is ranging because we have FOMC. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Oh man. Yo, Articola, how are you doing? You good? You good? Did you trade today? Did you take any trade today? Did you make money? Did you lose money? You see, EU, if it has to sell, it sells. If it has to buy, it buys. This doesn't do anything. If it wants to sell, sell. Obviously, it's gonna sell. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell. You took a trade today and lost. Ah man, it happens. It happens. If you took a stop loss, just accuse Donald Trump. Just accuse Donald Trump. Anytime you hit stop loss, just accuse Donald Trump, man. He's the only person that is making us hit stop loss these days. He's the only person making us hit stop loss. Gold is also selling crazy. It's selling crazy. I think I'm done for. If you hit stop loss, just accuse. If you hit stop loss, that's just accuse. Just accuse Donald Trump, man. I don't think price will go up. Price will have to come down here before if there should be any sort of buy setup. There's a lot of reason for this thing to go down. But the reason I'm not just selling it is because I have no zone here to sell from. First, we have equal highs. Do you see all of these equal highs? You have a lot of equal highs here. So these are equal highs. I cannot just sell where they are equal highs. Do you get it? So if I ever want to sell, the only zone I'm ever going to be looking for sell is this. And price never went there. So if price did not go there, there's just no sell setup for me. Okay, and since we have news, we have two things that can happen. Price can sell, and then the news happens down here, and then it flies. Okay, it's gonna come fill this gap. Probably there's also this gap down here. Come fills all of this, and then it flies. Okay, or if that doesn't happen, you can also buy from here. Come tap this, and then give a sell, and then do this. And the reason I bought this is because we have this zone right here, this liquidity right here. Liquidity price come, it tap the liquidity, and then it has to go up. I did not close my trade. I either have to hit stop loss or hit TP. And I'm obviously gonna hit stop loss. My camera went off. I think I've had the Give me a second, I'm coming. I wasn't charging my camera, so that's why. My camera went off. I'll have to charge it for a minute first. It has to be charged. I forgot to plug it. I didn't know that I was gonna live stream for over 2 hours. I wasn't expecting. But I'm here. When it charges a bit, give it like 10 minutes, then I'll be able to turn it on again. Gold is coming for SL. Let me see. Let it come for SL, man. That is the worst entry I could ever take. I took it because it was my break even. Sometimes, let's say, let me show you guys something, right? Assuming that I bought, okay? I buy here, okay? Let's say I bought here, right? And then price went in profit and I took partial. Maybe I partial like $5,000, okay? And I put my dollars to break even. So now price came, it kicked me out at break even, and then it went back in profit. So since I'm out at break even, let's say I took partial 5,000. So assuming that I have 5 lot, the 5 lot maybe I took partial 4 lot, okay? So if I took partial 4 lot, I still have 1 lot here. So if price come and kick me out going back, I'm just gonna add the 1 lot buy. So it's like me adding my partial back inside, basically. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So that's exactly what I just did with gold right now. If I do hit stop loss, I'm not gonna lose anything. Why? Because I'm actually gonna lose money, but like I'm gonna lose less than the amount of money I made, basically. I hope you guys understand. Let me see, is yeah, my camera is not back. What you guys asking me, is this still active? If you're asking me if the buy is still active, yes, but I don't advise you to buy because I'm expecting price to go down. If you are already long, keep your long. If you are not in, just wait. If it gets back to break even, I may just close my trade and go back to sleep. Oh, it's pumping, it's going back up. Anytime I go live and I flip something, I'm not give away something. So you can see that price is, I don't know. Price going back up 0.5 lots. This is the worst entry I could ever get. The live without me. Oh, I don't know if I just forgot to plug the camera before going live because I wasn't expecting how long I'm gonna be holding the live for. I wasn't expecting. Payout junction. Let's see all time. How much did prop firm paid out. FundingPips first, 200 million. FundingNext second, 180 million. Tradify, 177 million. If it was just to me, I would have traded with all the top 10 prop firms that are here. I'm trading with FundingPips. FundingNext playing really funny, so I don't even want to trade with them again. The reason is because some prop firms, they are just like, at the beginning they're gonna be paying you, okay, and then later when they realize that you are making so much payout, then they just stop paying you. Like at the point they don't want to pay you again. They try to pay others people, like they're trying to get more people in, so they don't want to pay the same person again and again. Okay, so FundingNext, they're getting weird. Tradify, the issue about Tradify is a futures prop firm, and I don't think that is allowed to trade in Ghana. FundingNext futures is not allowed. The 5%, I bought an account from them, but I never passed it. Will I hold or close? I don't know. I'm trying to go off. I'm gonna be going off pretty soon. I don't know if I'm gonna be closing or not. Whether I close or not, I'm not losing anything. Probably $1,000. I'm not losing $1,000. I should close the trade. You guys asking me to close the trade. The people in my signal, if anyone is still in, the person is back to break even. If anyone in my signal took the buy, the person is still in. Don't close it. I shouldn't close it. Okay, I shouldn't close it. So let's keep going. The 5%, as I told you guys, Alpha Capital, they banned me because they banned my country. They didn't ban me because I did something bad. No, they banned my country. EA, I have traded with them once. I even got the $10,000 payout from them. Only one payout. But the rules, I don't really like it. It's really difficult to follow. FYFXI. How do you even pronounce it? Yeah, features prop firm. This prop firm, I don't know. I've seen it, but I don't really trust it. Top 1 features. I don't even know why I'm not trusting the other prop firm. Do you guys think gold is gonna go bullish now? DXY, because DXY is doing as if it's selling, I'm pretty sure that gold is gonna sell. Looks like a sell, but you guys know me, I will never sell gold. I'm never selling gold. I'm seeing the top now. The top 5 of the chart is now different. The top 5 is now different. I see Augustine, I see Ferseed, and I see I Amur. The name is not showing all, so I can't really pronounce it. Murtaza, yeah. You see, he's selling. I knew it was because of DXY. Look at how much of a sell this thing happened. Look at this. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles to go up. And all it took is 1 candle to go down. Oh man. I think I'm just gonna close. I'm just gonna close for. I've closed it. $700 loss. $700 plus 4,000 plus 4,000. Made a good amount of money. Made 7,800. I've closed it. Now imagine I close it and it goes back up. Imagine it goes up, like it goes up after I close it. I close it. I don't think that anything nice is gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do is I may go live for FOMC. So I'm gonna go off right now, and I'm gonna come back live for FOMC. I'm gonna go back live in FOMC. I'm done right now. FOMC is let me see in Ghana time. Ghana time is 6 p.m. Ghana time. I don't know if I'm available. I'm gonna go live for FOMC. If I'm not available, then I'm just not gonna go live at all. So we're probably gonna see tomorrow or next tomorrow. Yes, I think it was a good idea. I closed my position. It's now selling. That yeah. So that's pretty much it. Do you guys have any question before I close this live? Let me know. Is there anything you guys want to ask me? Is there anything? I'm just gonna go off. I don't really know what's gonna happen to EU right now. Yeah, it's better for me to close with the positive PNL than me trying to make more money and eventually lose more. I'm gonna come back for FOMC. I'm gonna let you know. Just be on my social media. Be on my social media if I'm ever gonna go live. You guys will know. Even if I wanted to sell, there is no zone for me to sell. There was a break and return, so it was a good thing I closed it. I would have lost way more. Bad day for you. How you didn't take some? Should have taken partial. The only time I don't take partial is when I'm trading the only time I don't take partial is when the only time I don't take partial is when I'm trading a challenge. When I'm trading a challenge, I don't take partial. When I'm trading live account, yes, I can take partial. Yeah, guys, we'll see. It's still going back. Oh man, if this thing goes back, this TP, it never hit the TP, the stop loss I sent to the group. You haven't. This is the trade right here. TP1, TP2, 500 pips. Still didn't hit 500 pips. Well, that would be pretty much it. So maybe we'll go live later in the evening. Bye bye. Hope you the best. Hope you made money. Hope you manage losses as well if you lost money. So we'll catch up later.